now know they play too much attack.
Chelsea against Brighton. We don't see many goals, many things to talk about. Chelsea 4-2. Wait till me your thought.
If you check, now smile, just dey smile. I'm so excited because Chelsea play football. Wey be say e sweet all of us for body. As we watch the match go well. Our defense, our midfield, our attack been dey very strong for the game. So Chelsea played a very good game.
Now you don't talk about the defense. We don't see how they defend. They those two goals where Brighton score. I think say to me that defensive error. So wait till me your thought so far.
If you check the first goal, you know if you blame defense for that ball because of Sanchez. The pass went past. The pass did not go well. If you check Casido na midfielder, nothing Casido for the field do for that ball because the ball, the Brighton striker dey in front of Casido. So now the wrong pass from the defense. I go talk say the error now from the goalkeeper, not from the defense for the second goal. But for the first goal, the defense now then cause the goal down they sure. But anyhow, they can correct their mistake. So now he come give us the win.
Now I'm going to talk about Palmer now. First half, he scored 4 goals. I think the first Premier League player don't score that kind of team for first half 4 goals. What do you mean your thought on Palmer?
Palmer na good footballer. What be say everybody know. He know the fuck up. So Palmer, right from the last, if you check when Chelsea signed Palmer, me, I be no like him because him been this small pikin went from academy come. You see ba? So the thing come be me like say maybe no be good player, but Palmer don dey show the world wetin him be. So Palmer na good footballer. Wey be say everybody now go wan fans am. Even though you know dey fan Chelsea, but if you say Palmer no sabi football, you no sabi football.
So like what do you feel like say Chelsea supposed to do for this game to keep the momentum going forward?
I still say Jackson still dey lack some error because you get some goal wey need score wey Jackson no score for today. If you check for the level with Madueke no play well sha, but anyhow we dey encourage them and go play well. You know say that the team still dey adapt with each other. No be all of them don play together before, but na new season but dem still dey adapt. So they are good team, na good team to come.
Lastly, you don't get that confidence say Chelsea dey compete for title.
Yes, of course, Chelsea go fight top 4 this season. Mark my word.
So no for title, like compete with Man City and Arsenal for title.
Dem go compete based on how if dem continue to play the football wey dem dey play, so dem go compete with Man City and Arsenal.
Okay, now final word. Any final word for Pep Guardiola, Man City and Mikel Arteta, Arsenal?
My advice to them be say make dem stand strong because if they no stand strong, we go beat them. Even Arsenal make dem stand strong because if Arsenal no stand fine, the pattern of football wey Chelsea dey play now, so dem go beat them.
Okay, now thank you very much.